guys, it is Tuesday and I'm starting my first weekly Vlogmas. I don't think I've ever done a weekly Vlogmas before, but I thought I would just film each week up until Christmas and show you the things that I'm up to. Today I actually have something fun to do. Blair and I are heading out to the Dr. Seuss Museum, so this is going to be really fun, and I'm actually kind of running a little bit late. I really need to run out the door right now. This is the balloon maze. I don't know if you can hear me because it's really noisy in here. Good morning, it is Vlogmas day 4. I don't remember the last time that I was like, it's Vlogmas day whatever. It's probably been about 2 years. So today's Wednesday. Yesterday, Blair and I went to the Dr. Seuss Museum. It was okay. I did read a few reviews, well, not reviews, I don't know, comments somewhere on some website saying that it's a bit of a rip-off. The tickets were $35 each, and honestly, it's not that great. I think all the Instagram photos make it look so much better than what it is. But if you are going to purely take Instagram photos, it's probably fine. Or if you have kids, probably fine. So it was okay, but it was fun. It was good to go and see. And then we went shopping afterwards and I bought 2 tops. One of the tops I bought is this one here from Zara. I saw this online a few weeks ago and I liked the look of it, and then I saw it in person and then I tried it on and I was like, why not? Because it's super cute and I love sequins. I feel like sequin clothing is almost a collectible thing to me. It's one of the things that I never really throw out because I feel like I will be able to wear them forever, or some costume or something in the future. And this is the other top. It's from Garage. It's a cute little knit. It's slightly shorter at the front than the back, which I'm not really sure if I like, but it does go all right with my jeans. So yeah, this is the cute little top. I'll have them listed in the description. And then after we went shopping, we went and got sushi / Japanese for dinner. So it was a nice day. This morning I have a brunch date with BB. I will leave BB's channel listed in the description, and Blair is coming with me too. So we're going to somewhere called Bluestone Lane, I think. From what I've seen, it's kind of cute. So let's go have a look. This is my outfit for the day. Everything as usual will be listed in the description. I got my Joe Mercer boots, my Louis bag that I haven't worn in ages, black coat, knit, and black jeans. So let's go. I have a very big love-hate relationship with black like wool coats because they look so beautiful, but they get so fluffy, and especially with blonde hair, like very, very fluffy. So anyways, I think I'm good. I'm gonna go now. We've had a change of plans. We've come down to the distillery. I have a pot pie with a salad. Blair has, what is this, a club salad with steak, and BB has a soup. Looks so good. We're gonna take some cute pictures in this little thing. I just got home. I'm making myself a cup of tea. The guy to fix my heating should be here in the next half an hour, so I'm really excited about that. So we just went and had lunch and then took some photos around the Christmas market. It's so much prettier at nighttime, so I'll have to take you back at nighttime. And I'll have BB's channel listed in the description if you're interested, because she got lots of footage today as well. And now I'm actually trying to put together like an Instagram coffee tea flat lay because I haven't done one in ages and I just feel like making a festive one.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart.
This is what I'm working with so far. It looks so terrible when it's just all piled together like this, but I'll pop a picture up on the screen of what it looks like. If you're interested, you can always follow me on Instagram. I'm just going to top up the tea so that the cup looks a little bit fuller. That's better. There we go.
No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline fading.
It's Friday and I didn't vlog yesterday because nothing exciting happened, and I didn't vlog today because I filmed all day today. So I am about to head out. I'm having some dinner and then going to an immersive Christmas play, which I'm very, very excited about. So I'm about to go over to my friend's place. This is my simple outfit. This top is from Dynamite. It's pretty cute. I'll try and have everything listed in the description, but I am going to head off and I don't actually have any idea how much I can film tonight, so we'll just have to see, but I'm going to do my best to show you what I'm up to. Morning. It is Sunday, and yesterday I didn't film anything because I had a really lazy lay in bed, watch movies kind of Saturday, which I'm loving for my Saturday routine at the moment. But today my friend has to go to IKEA, so I'm gonna go along as well because there's a couple of things that I would like to get, and then I'm not really sure what else will happen today. This is today's outfit, so I will have everything listed in the description as usual. Pretty casual, and it's actually pretty warm out there today, which is good. We've come into IKEA and I'm just having a look through all of the kitchen stuff. It's a few days later and I just wanted to wrap up this first weekly Vlogmas. I don't think I did a very good job at filming last week. It's sometimes hard to get into the groove of filming every single day when it's not something I've been doing consistently for a very, very long time. And it's also difficult too when I spend a lot of time with people who are not in social media. So I tried. Last week was very much like little snippets of fun things I did. This week is just a solid working week, so everything I've filmed now that you'll see in the next video is lots of productivity based things and lots of work things. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this Vlogmas. I'll show you what I got from IKEA. I may have been just a little over the top in IKEA. I got 3 mugs. This pink one I saw online and it looked a little bit lighter online than what it did in person, but I thought I would get it anyway because I like the detailing on the bottom. I also decided to get a clear glass, and then I also have a little white sort of classic teacup set. And then just because, and I found this randomly while I was there, it's a cute little gold honey thingy, and then this is a tea scooper. I've never seen a tea scooper before, but you just scoop the leaves into your infuser thing, I guess, but it's gold and cute, and I thought that would be fun for flat lays and anything like that. But yeah, these are my little IKEA purchases. So that was the little IKEA trip. Got myself a bunch of new mugs that I really probably didn't need to, but I love mugs so much. I probably should have shown a little bit more in IKEA, but honestly it is the exact same as back home. I'm assuming all IKEAs are pretty much identical worldwide, so not anything really new to show you, but I had a really, really nice weekend. It was super relaxing and very chill. So hope you guys have enjoyed this Vlogmas, and up the top here you can check out my last video. Down the bottom I'll leave a link to another one, and I will see you in the next Vlogmas in about a week.